Hello and welcome to the Automotive Training Academy. Located in Wrexham, we specialise in technical training, supporting workshops to be the best that they can be. The ATA supports Maverick Diagnostics, a leading supplier of dealer diagnostic equipment, by extending their customers' knowledge. We've offered JLR training for several years, which has been really well received within the industry. We run this course over 2 days at the moment, and it covers everything you need to know about the equipment and the software. To complement this, we have invited industry experts to bring their unique knowledge to our centre, namely John Morgan with his excellent VAG course and Ryan Colley with his PSA course. In addition, we have launched a BMW Foundation course, enabling users to get started with the tool in the best possible way. Other brands will follow. Please keep an eye on the website for further details. It's our dealer level offering, but we mustn't forget we are also an IMI-accredited centre, offering high voltage training from levels 1 through to 4, F-gas and ADAS using the excellent Mars equipment. Our background, or mainly my background, in scopes, where we offer a beginner and advanced course teaching you everything you need to know about the picoscope. Thanks for watching this intro to the Automotive Training Academy. To book any courses, please visit our website, automotivetraining.info, and we hope to see you soon.